Light modifiers. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Eustace Kanyanda, and in this video I'm just going to show you how different types of light modifiers can shape the light and can affect our photos. So before we start, if you're new on this channel or if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video you will be notified, and smash that like button just to support me. Yeah, so let's do this. Introduce yourself.
I'm Sandra, I've already done that. His model for today. So I'm just excited about this whole thing. I'm also learning a lot about the modifiers, the word, and I'm enjoying my session. Trust me, it's nice.
Okay. So we are going to start with the shoot through umbrella, and then we'll see the kind of images it's going to give us. So let's start. Yeah, so I'll switch off my light, and then I'm going to work my exposure, ISO, and shutter speed. So shutter speed 1 of 250, ISO 200, f5.6. So let's see what we are going to get. This kind of a shoot. Are you set? Okay. This is how I want my background to be. So I want my background to be dark.
Okay.
So yeah, so I'm going to introduce the lights. So I'm going to switch this thing on. So I'll start at 1 of 64 as my power output. So let's see what we're going to just move behind a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, just move behind a bit. Okay. Okay. The light is not that much. Let me just put more power. 1 over 16. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Give me a couple poses. Nice. Keep going. Nice. 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 Okay. So what's happening now is that with this umbrella we just don't have that control of light. Like the light is just spilling all over the place. You can see the lights going this side. Yeah. So this is the next thing that we are going to use. So for this one, it's not a shoot through, so we have to put it like this.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah.
And put it down like that. And then tilt it down like that. Okay. Okay. So wait, but okay. So the light is falling off where it's not supposed to be. So it's going that side. I'm supposed to put it like this so that it can fall on your face. So let's see. Nice. Okay. Like this, overexposed. Let me just reduce the power output 1 over 32. Let's see. Okay. Okay, yeah, keep that same. Yeah. That's perfect. See? Nice. Okay, I'll get this one, the last one. Okay. Still you don't have that control where the light is going to fall, like the light is just falling all over the place. We've switched. This is a 34-inch beauty dish. For this one, it's just going to give us that directional light. Like the light won't be spilling all over the place. So yeah, to be like, so let's start. So yeah, okay. Nice. See? Nice. The next thing that I'm going to add a grid to control the flow of light. I don't want light to be spilling all over the place, so I'm going to put this. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's the one. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Keep it. Okay. See. Okay. Nice. Yeah, that one is perfect. Okay. Okay. Shoot through umbrella is cheap and easy to use. You just don't have that control over the spill of light, especially if you're working in a small studio space and if you're trying to achieve those dramatic portraits. Silver umbrella is cheap and easy to use, and it's gonna give you that punchy light. You do have a little bit control over the shoot through umbrella. You just don't have that control, especially if you're working in a small studio space. With the softbox, you have so much control of light. It's gonna give you that soft light because you have two diffusers inside. If you are working in a small studio space, you will be able to control the light. Softbox with the honeycomb grid. With this one, you have so much control of the light spill. Where you just want the light to fall, it's where the light is gonna fall. I use this a lot, more especially when I'm working in a small studio space. These modifiers are just like tools. You can't do everything with just one tool. Each modifier will give you a different type of light and a different type of feel. So it just depends with the kind of pictures that you are going for or with the kind of lighting that you are going for. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And smash that like button to support me. Smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. See you in the next one. Peace.